Hello friends, I, Dr. Shefali Naranje, welcome you to this video lecture series on business communication subject paper. In this video lecture, we will be discussing the topic on personal integrity at workplace. I give one example. Rahul wants to take a leave for 15 days from his office to attend a marriage function. For this, he speaks to his boss saying his mother is ill and he wants to take leave to be with his mother. Now the question is, what is integrity? And secondly, what is it that is required at the workplace? Can you guess it? Let us begin by understanding what is integrity. Integrity is the honesty and truthfulness or accuracy of one's actions, or other words, the quality of being honest and having strong moral principles when a person is working. He or she is not only governed by the code of conduct of the workplace, but also by his own moral principles. It means he should have principles of wholeness, unity, morality, undividedness, and so on. In a working environment, we come across many people with different philosophies, cultural background, behavior, etc. Each individual has a role to play and contribute to the working environment. If a person does not tell the truth or fabricates the facts and figures or maintains or manipulates the things, people will understand this and it will be difficult to put such a person accountable for important posts and position. Let us understand how we can follow integrity at workplace or even in a business environment. First, dedication. The person should show his dedication by accomplishing the task given to him or her in the best possible manner. Honesty or honest behavior. Being honest all the time and truthful is what people expect with each other, including the workplace. Imagine a doctor being dishonest in his diagnosis. Who will trust such a doctor or a company claiming to be with zero complaints for being number one in that area without proper certification, will tarnish the image of the company. Company policy. Following or adhering to the policies of the company is an important criterion to make you a responsible or accountable person for the company. She becomes an asset of the company. Therefore, it is important that the policies should be made keeping in mind the overall well-being of the company. Respect and trust. This means not only respecting the higher authorities but also co-workers and friends. Responsibility. Taking new responsibility, helping out co-workers, working with enthusiasm is very essential. Accountability. One should be accountable not only for things that go right, but also for things that go wrong. Collaborations. Working in teams and collaborations help in understanding one another at the same time. Learning to adjust and help in times of trouble is what is required. Conduct. The overall conduct of oneself depends on how serious one is about the job and the way one reacts to various situations. I hope this video has helped you to understand the meaning of integrity and how it is important to implement it in the workplace. Thank you.